SEVIS Terminated, 5 critical steps for international students and workers. Your SEVIS record has been terminated. Now what? In recent months, thousands of international students and workers have had their SEVIS records terminated without warning. This is what you need to know right now. First, don't panic. Termination doesn't mean immediate deportation. Save everything: your termination notice, all I-20 forms, passport and visa documents, academic transcripts, and communications with your DSO. Download your I-94 record immediately. Contact your international student office to confirm your SEVIS status. Ask if others are experiencing similar issues, or request written confirmation of termination reason. Get legal help. Find an attorney specializing in F1 student visa issues. Reinstatement eligibility. You may qualify for reinstatement if you apply within 5 months of termination, you haven't worked without authorization, you're continuing your studies, and if the termination wasn't your fault. This current wave of terminations may qualify as circumstances beyond your control. The reinstatement process. Work with your DSO to get a new I-20 for reinstatement, file Form I-539 with USCIS, include a personal statement explaining what happened, provide supporting evidence, and pay the filing fee. Processing times can take up to 3 to 12 months, and you can stay in the U.S. while your application is pending, but you cannot work. Special considerations. If you're on OPT or STEM OPT, your work authorization ends immediately, you must stop working even if your EAD hasn't expired, and your employer must be notified. If you're transitioning to H-1B, you may lose cap-gap protection, your change of status could be denied, and you may need to consular process abroad. Emerging legal options. Recent legal challenges are showing promise. Multiple federal lawsuits have been filed, emergency stays have been granted in some cases, university legal clinics are representing affected students, and legal advocacy organizations are offering support. First Amendment and due process arguments are central to many cases. Recent termination trends. Many recent terminations are government-initiated rather than university-reported. Reported triggers include political speech or social media activity, minor legal infractions, AI surveillance of online activity, and vague foreign policy concerns. These terminations often occur without notice or explanation. Protecting your status. Even if your SEVIS is still active, keep copies of everything. Maintain full-time enrollment. Update your address within 10 days of moving. Avoid unauthorized work, including influencer marketing, and document all program participation. Finding help. Resources available to you: American Immigration Lawyers Association, National Immigration Law Center, your university's legal services, local immigrant advocacy groups, and SEEBP contact. A SEVIS termination is not the end of your educational journey. With proper documentation, legal support, and quick action, many students are successfully reinstated. Know your rights, get help, act quickly. For more detailed guidance and personalized support, visit our website,